Good evening. Welcome to our presentation. Uh, this is the topic that we choose to do in our assignment, restaurant ordering and billing system. This is our group members. In this presentation, I'm going to take the introduction and the conclusion part. So to start with this part, the introduction, the plate. The plate is the name that we give the system that we create. Uh, the purpose of the system is to make the customers order their preferable food according to the menu. So we create a system that make easier for customers to order their food directly from the menu. This system actually allows restaurant staff or customers to quickly select items, specify quantities, and calculate the bill with minimal manual effort. The system that we create is automated system. That means it automates the process entirely from selecting items to calculating the total amount, minimizing the manual effort needed from the staff. Um, this system also focuses on simplicity and practicality for everyday restaurant operations. It's also very adaptable to various restaurant setups with a customizable menu and pricing. The user of this system can be student, teacher, housewife, lecturer, local community, etc. Anyone can use this system. We choose this system as it addresses common challenges in restaurants such as miscommunication and inaccuracies. This system provides a professional solution for small and medium-sized restaurants. It also minimizes reliance on staff for repetitive tasks and reduces waiting times and enhances the dining experience. This system automates tasks like calculating totals or managing orders, reducing the workload on staff and speeding up the service.
Hi, a very good day, everyone. I'm Takasha Garbia here, and my student ID is 242UT24447. I'm here to present on our source card, which is the restaurant ordering system as we have developed in SteamMix. We use three types of library, which is the IO Stream, IO Manip, and String. As you can see, I have run and built the program and have successfully managed to build the program without any error. So my part, I'll be focusing on the overview, menu display and user interface. I'll begin by explaining the user interface and menu display section of our program. The main screen function creates a welcoming screen displaying essential details about the restaurant including its name, address, operating hours. This ensures the customer has clear information right from the start. Next, the display menu function shows the list of menu, item codes, and prices in a neatly formatted table. Using arrays such as item names, item codes, and item prices, we store and manage the data efficiently. Formatting tools like SetW, SetPrecision are used to ensure daily clarity and alignment. This section sets the stage for a smooth user experience and making it easy for the customer to navigate and make their choices. Thank you so much, and now I'll pass it to my next member.
Okay, everyone. I'll be walking you through how our program handles order processing and input validation, ensuring a smooth and error-free ordering experience. The process begins after the menu is displayed to the customer. To place an order, the customer enters the item code of their desired menu item. At this point, the program performs a crucial step, validating the entered item code. It checks the input against our predefined array of item codes to confirm that it matches an existing menu item. For example, if a customer enters the code 999, which does not correspond to any menu item, the program immediately notifies them with a message like invalid item code and prompts them to re-enter the correct code. On the other hand, if a customer enters 231, which corresponds to pasta, the program recognizes it as a valid and proceeds to the next step. This validation ensures customers can only order items listed on our menu, minimizing errors and confusion. Once a valid item is entered, the program moves on to the quantity input. Here, it ensures that the quantity entered is a positive number. For instance, if a customer mistakenly enters -2, the program alerts them with a message such as invalid quantity. Please enter a positive value. The customer is then prompted to re-enter a valid quantity. This validation is critical for preventing mistakes such as accidental inputs that could lead to incorrect orders or totals. By enforcing these rules, we maintain the integrity of ordering process. After both the item code and quantity are validated, the program adds the specified quantity to the quantities array, keeping a record of item ordered. It also calculates the cost of that item by multiplying its price by entered quantity. For example, if the customer orders 3 pastas at RM20 each, the program calculates a subtotal of 60 for that item. The total price is updated dynamically every time a new item is added, giving the customer a clear view of running their total. This process is repeated for every new item the customer wishes to add to their order. The customer is asked whether they want to continue ordering by responding Y for yes or N for no. In summary, this program guarantees an accurate ordering process by validating both item codes and quantities at every step. It ensures the data entered is correct and updates the total price in real time. This structured approach prevents error, ensures customer satisfaction, and streamlines their entire order taking process. Thank you. That's all from me.
Thank you, Divya. Moving forward, I'll explain the payment method. Once the customer has completed their order, the programs calculate the final bill, including a 6% of the service tax. For example, if the subtotal is 60 ringgit, a service tax of 3 ringgit 60 cent is added, bringing the total bill to 63 ringgit 60 cent. The program then presents the customer with two payment options, which is cash or debit. If the customer chooses cash by entering C, the program prompts them to input the amount they are paying. For instance, if the customer pays 70 ringgit, the program calculates the change as 6 ringgit 40 cent by subtracting the total bill from the amount paid. This calculation ensures precision and the change is displayed to the customer for transparency. So if the customer opts for debit by entering B, the program directly processes the exit bill of 63 ringgit 60 cent. This eliminates the need for additional input and simplifies the process, making it convenient for customers who prefer cashless transactions. To ensure accuracy, the program validates the payment method and if the customer mistakenly input an invalid option such as X, the program displays an error message, which is invalid payment method, and prompts the customer to re-enter their choice. This ensures a smooth and error-free transaction process. Once the payment is confirmed, whether by cash or debit, the program generates an itemized receipt. This receipt includes a detailed breakdown of the transaction, the names and quantities of items ordered, their respective prices, the subtotal, the service tax, and the final total of 63 ringgit 60 cent. For cash payment, it also displays the amount paid and the change return. This ensures transparency and gives the customer a complete record of their purchase. In summary, our payment system not only ensures efficient and accurate transactions, but also provides customer with clarity and convenience. Thank you. I'll pass it to the next member. Okay, Bro.
To conclude, our system makes the customer ordering system easier by displaying the menu and save their time searching for it. Since the menu is given in the system, it helps customers get their order faster. The second point provides a foundation for future system enhancements and expansions, allowing further integration of advanced features as needed. While this version focuses basic functions, it could be expanded to include advanced features like online ordering. This project serves as an excellent example of how coding can provide practical and cost-effective solutions to real-world problems by reducing manual interpretation and streamlining processes. It frees up staff to focus on delivering better customer experiences while ensuring professional and consistent handling of orders and payments. That's all. We hope it gives a clear understanding. Thank you.